Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be creating this makeup look right here. I'm heading out for an office lunch and I wanted to do something pink. It's afternoon, it's not very bright, so I didn't want to go very bold or something. And along with that, I'm going to be answering your questions that you asked me a few days ago on Instagram. If you enjoy the video, please smash a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. So without keeping the intro very long, let's directly dive into the video. I've already done the base off camera, and if you remember, a couple of days ago I posted a Q&A sort of a thing on Instagram on my stories and I got a lot of questions. But to be fair, I can literally club those questions in like 3 or 4 categories. 2 questions were about me living in the UK, a few were about what editing software am I using and how am I editing my videos and recording and stuff like that. I think one was about how I started doing my makeup and stuff and how did I get into this and how did I think of starting YouTube or whatever. Although this question I feel doesn't have an answer specifically, as in I'm not that big of a YouTuber yet. So, and then another one was I think what have I studied or something like that. I have all those questions written and basically I can just put them into 4 categories, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna get ready because I'm going out for an office lunch today, and I'm gonna get ready, keep talking to you guys and answering your questions. So as I said, I've already done my base off camera and I'll be listing down all the products that I've used in the description bar below. So let's just start getting ready and let me start answering your question. Okay, so for eyes I am going to be using the new nude palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm going to be creating something very subtle because it's lunch. I think I'll start with the first question, the thing that people ask me, that how am I editing my videos. Right now I'm editing my videos using Final Cut Pro and I'm recording everything on my phone. I haven't bought a camera yet. I might very soon. And for editing, I think I was using iMovies earlier, but then there were things that you couldn't do with it, so I went ahead and downloaded Final Cut Pro and right now I'm using that. So I'm gonna be starting with the shade called Teddy, this shade right here. I'm gonna be starting with this, putting it all over my lid. Another question that people asked me a lot was about UK, that are you living in London, are you settled, where are you living in the UK, stuff like that. So I am living in London. I came here for studies. I did my postgrad here from Queen Mary University of London. I did MSc in data science and now I'm working here. YouTube is not the only thing that I do. I actually have a full 9-to-5 job and this is something I wanted to do for the longest time, and now finally I have like got the strength and courage to actually start doing it. It's not something that I wanted to do when I came here in the UK, but I wanted to start it back when I was in India. I was doing my undergrad, but I don't think I had the right knowledge at that time, not only about YouTube but also about makeup, because I started doing makeup. So actually that's a whole other thing. I'll answer that with the next question, that how did this start. But basically I live in the UK, I live in London and I am working. I came here 3 years ago or something like that, but that is it. Now I'm gonna be using this shade. It's called Spanked and I'm gonna put it on my outer corners and in the crease to just intensify the look. The other question that I was asked a lot was about YouTube. How did this start? How did I start doing all of this? So this goes way back. So I was not someone who was very much into makeup. Like I liked putting on eyeliner, a bit of lip tint, and I think that was it. I never did anything like full face of makeup or something. I had no idea about. I didn't know how to apply foundation or anything of that sort. But I remember, I think it was final year farewell time or something, and me and two of my friends, we just sat down, started talking about makeup, what we are buying, because we are getting ready on our own, wearing saris, and we were so excited about it. So what are the things that we are buying and this and that, and that I think was the moment I started liking it, because I thought, yeah, maybe this is something. It was just, that was the beginning. That's how I developed the interest in makeup, I think. Then I came here to the UK and I went to all these beautiful stores, Selfridges, Harrods and everything, and I saw this amazing makeup that I was not exposed to as much as when I was in India, and I was like, maybe I need to try what this thing is. Now I'm going to be using the shade Love Bite on my outer corners, just to give that extra depth. Just placing it. Then when I started earning, I started buying a lot of makeup, because I don't know, there's no reason actually why I started, but yeah, I started buying a lot of stuff, and I think that was the time when I realized, I started doing it, I started practicing on my own. I just used to watch all these Nikkie tutorials, James Charles. I still do, because I think that's where I'm learning from, and I used to do the same things they used to do, like not those crazy eye looks, but how they used to put on foundations, how they used to do, everything. I just used to copy them in a way and just try doing the same, imitate them on my face, and I started liking it a lot. And I thought, and then I started discussing it with my friends. Then they were the ones who really pushed me, that like I just said that I'm gonna start YouTube, and they were like, yeah, you should. And then I recorded first video, I sent it to them, and then I don't know how they just really pushed me that you should. And then there's another friend of mine, I took help from him because he is sort of established on YouTube already, and I asked him, I showed him the videos, he taught me so many things, how you can improve, what I need to do. Because my first video, not a lot of you have seen, it was a total mess, but I think that's how you start. You don't know how to start, you don't know what to do on the camera and stuff, and literally nobody can see my face throughout the video. I had the mirror like up close like this, and I was talking and nobody was able to see what I'm doing. I was not talking, I was actually doing my stuff, because I tried speaking, but then I think I was so conscious, I am right now as well, but I think I was so conscious at that time that I scrapped off the idea, detached the audio, put on a audio file like a music sort of a thing, and then I just showed it to my friends, and still they said that it's really good, and they were like, why don't you sit this way, put the mirror here, place it somewhere, or maybe change the background a bit, because all this background, all these fancy things, it was not there. I was sitting right in front of my bed, my bed was messy. And then eventually I started doing, like, maybe changing the way I sat, blah blah blah. Did a few more practice videos before I published my first video, I think a month ago now. So far the response is really good. I am really happy and proud of myself that I actually went ahead and did it. Take a moment and let me just cut my crease, and then we'll start it again. The good thing about this palette is that there's a concealer shade that comes in the palette, and it is really easy to apply. So I've just cut my crease off camera, and now I'm going to be using a glitter shade on my lid, but I'm not sure which one it's going to be because I love all these shades. I think I'm gonna go with one of these two. I think I should have put this shade later. I'm gonna go in with Fantasy and cover my entire lid because I don't know what I did there with the glitter shade. I'm gonna go in with the shade Crave and put it in my inner corners and on my brow bone, and I think maybe a bit on the center of my lid. How is coronavirus in whatever cities you're living in? Ours was better, I would say. Things really got better, but then now it's a mess again. I'm gonna use the same shade Spank. I'm gonna be using this Nykaa Glamour Eyes in the shade Moonchild 11. I'm gonna be using Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid eyeliner, and I'll put the eyeliner off camera and I'll be right back. So guys, I've just put on the eyeliner off camera, and I've just checked. There was another question that was asked to me about London. That was like, how did I manage when I came here? So I would just start bronzing my face using the Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I will answer your question. I was very fortunate when I came to the UK. I already had my uncle living in the UK, so I essentially stayed with him initially. Not initially, actually, during my university year, I stayed with him. He very kindly provided everything to me. Like, I didn't have to worry about rent, I didn't have to worry about food, laundry. It was all given to me. So I never did part-time either, so I was really fortunate in that way because of my uncle who was living here. And I essentially, for that 1 year, I stayed with them, with my uncle, aunt and my cousins, and then I moved down closer to my work. And when I started working, I could afford a place of my own. I wanted to be closer to work because I didn't want to spend a lot of time traveling, so I moved closer to work. Also, they moved outside of London, and then I moved out. And during my move out as well, my uncle really very kindly helped me with everything, packing, dropping me where I was going. And right now I'm renting a place for myself, not alone. Of course, I have a flatmate, but that is it for now, and let's see how this goes on. So for highlighter, I'm gonna be using MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. So for blush, I'm again gonna be using MAC blush. It's their Sheer Tone Shimmer blush range. It's in the shade Peachy Keen, and it's really nice, subtle pink sort of a shade. So for setting my face, I'm gonna be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray. For mascara, I'm going to be using Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. I really love this. I have a lot of mascaras, to be fair. I have the Huda Beauty one, the NYX one, MAC one, Maybelline, L'Oreal, I think. I have a lot of them, but I think I've never used anything like this. I have their other one as well. I think Roller Lash is the name, but I love Bad Girl Bang. It's the best. Do you see the difference what I'm talking about? So this is it, you guys. I think I have answered all the questions that were asked to me. If there's something else you would like to ask me, please feel free to drop them down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. I am going to be putting the Morphe Premium Lashes in Mesmerize. I'm going to be using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Small Tooth, and then I'm going to be using Huda Beauty Power Bullet Lipstick in the shade Rendezvous. So this is it, you guys. This is the final look that I came up with using the Huda Beauty New Nude palette, and I hope I've answered all the questions that you asked me on Instagram. Furthermore, if you would like to ask me anything else, please drop them down in the comment section and I will pick them up in the next one. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.